spraying the cleaning solution to the hard bristle brush, and starting with the left shoe, I start scrubbing the midsole. Then I'll wipe off the dirt with a microfiber cloth. Now I'm spraying the cleaning solution on the hard bristle brush and scrub the midsole of the right shoe. Following the scrub, I wipe off the dirt from the outsole. Now it's time to clean the bottom of the shoe. I spray the brush with some more cleaning solution and start scrubbing the left shoe. I wipe off the dirty suds, starting with the midsole and after that the outsole. Then I repeat the same process with the right shoe. Here I fold the cleaning cloth to get a clean section of it and continue wiping to remove as much dirty suds as possible from the shoe. Again, I fold and go back to the left shoe. After the bottom of the shoes are clean, I wipe off the uppers with a clean cloth, damped with cleaning solution. First, I do the left shoe and then the right shoe. Most of the grime was in the midsole area and bottom of the shoes, so a simple wipe of the uppers will do to clean the shoes completely.